Ukrainian LPG officers to embark. We have a master with zero experience, 12,250, with 1 year, 12,600, the 2-year experience in LPGs, 13,850, with 3, 14,850, and with 4, 15,700. The chief engineer is approximately the same, $200 less. Then the chief officer, second engineer is 6,000, 8,950, 10,550 with the 2-year, then 3 is 11,600, then the 4 is 12,200, then the second officer, third engineer is 4,200, 4,550, 4,750 for the 2-year, 5,000 for the 3, 5,500 for the 4, third officer, fourth engineer, 3,000, 3,550, 3,650, 3,750 and 4,100, then the cadet, we would have approximately $600 US. Automate engineer with 1 year 6,800, 2 years 7,100, 3 7,650 and 4 8,600 US. Electrician 4,000 with the 1, with the 2 5,000, 3 6,150 and the 4 6,800. This company has a 2.5 month on board. Length of contracts is one of the best in the market because most LPG companies have 3 and 4. Also, if you're now thinking from LNG to go towards LPG because the wages are approximately the same, and also because you don't want to sail anymore to the war areas and you want to sail within Europe to America, most trade of these gas tankers is like this. This is Belgian flag. Like, subscribe, apply urgently, and the English we must have for these ships is of Shakespeare. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.